was really taken for granted that there is a connection between what happens on campus and the condition of the world. That there is no line of demarcation between the two, and that there is high relevance between what we teach and how we teach and what the world is and what the world becomes. And there was, as I said, this expectation that you would be on the creative side of that and on the transformative side of that, not a force to preserve the common, the status quo, but you are a force to look at the broken places and fix them and heal them. Look at the lack of fairness. Look at the inequities and the inequalities, and to resolve them. That was part of what we had to do. That was part of how we understood what it meant to grow tall enough to wear the crown that Morehouse is holding over your head. You are not tall enough to wear it simply by graduating. You are to spend your life and conduct yourself throughout life in a way that causes you to grow tall enough to wear it. So there, and you don't just grow tall enough to wear it by going into a profession, doing well and making a lot of money. It's, as a matter of fact, a lot of money is not what will, that's not part of that pituitary gland. It's the good that you do with it. It's not the quality of your home or of the car you drive or where you send your kids to school. It's the quality of the life you live outside of those material and social status symbols.